Unlock a new level of customer engagement and operational efficiency by integrating Twilio's powerful communication services directly into your WooCommerce store. To begin, visit the official Twilio website and sign up for a new account, following their straightforward registration process. Once your account is active, log into your Twilio console and locate your account SID and auth token, which are critical credentials for linking your store. Next, within your Twilio account, acquire a new Twilio phone number. This will be the dedicated line for your store's communications. Now, navigate to your WooCommerce admin dashboard, select Plugins, and then click Add New to search for an integration plugin. Search for a Twilio integration plugin compatible with WooCommerce, then proceed to install and activate it on your site. Access the plugin settings, typically found under WooCommerce or Settings, and input your Twilio account SID, auth token, and your Twilio phone number. Configure the specific notification types you want to enable, such as automated SMS alerts for new orders, processing updates, or shipment confirmations to your customers. You can also customize the message content for each notification, tailoring them to provide clear and concise information to your customers and internal teams. Finally, place a test order on your WooCommerce store to verify that all your Twilio notifications are sending correctly and reaching their intended recipients. With Twilio integrated, your WooCommerce store can now send real-time, engaging updates, significantly enhancing your customers' shopping experience.